So I met Honorable Bhupender Yadav ji on around 7 to 8 demands, requests from AP state government. One is about seeking additional financial support through centrally sponsored schemes uh, regarding sea protection wall, and also about mitigation measures for pollution in Godavari. And also we sought 50 gouts from the state of Madhya Pradesh, where immediately he called up Honorable Madhya Pradesh CM Sri Mohan Yadav ji, and he also made me to speak to him. And immediately they have agreed to send them in between September and October this year. And I wholeheartedly convey my heartfelt thanks to Mohan Yadav ji and Bhupender Yadav ji on this. And also we requested around 6 tigers, because in tiger population is quite high in AP, but also there's a lot of inbreeding is happening. So to have a DNA diversity, so we sought, our forest department official said that it's becoming more of inbreeding, and it is not a good for diversity of a healthy tigers would progeny won't come. So we sought the 6 tigers from both Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh, which has got a very good tiger population. So Honorable Fadnavis ji, CM of Maharashtra, Fadnavis ji has agreed, and they gave permission for 4 tigers. And 2 tigers are about supposed to be come from Madhya Pradesh. So that's what the proposal I put, and immediately he called up Honorable CM from Madhya Pradesh, and he made me to speak to him, and Honorable CM also agreed, Mohan Yadav ji agreed. And also we sought something like AP Greening Society is there for Great Green Wall. So there is a centrally sponsored schemes would support the schemes which we are doing, more or less a parallel schemes at state level. So from 26.5 green cover, we came up to increase by 3%. That is one thing which I had conveyed to him. So AP around 1,050 kilometers of coastline, we started planting around till 450 kilometers with mangroves and casuarina and palm trees. This is more for coast fortification and conservation. So we needed a lot of support from central schemes, which he, with a large heartedness, he agreed, and I convey my heartfelt thanks to him. Under the Great Green Wall mission of AP, we are, as I told you, we had taken a plantation between from high tide zone up to 5 kilometers of the coast towards the landslide towards the land. So we have demarcated into 3 zones, and going for plantation. For that, we sought his help, support also, which he generously he agreed. And critical habitat improvements and Project Tiger, and regarding base camps, we want to increase tiger base camps from 90 to 150, and which we need additional funding. So which he generously said he would come on, I think, August 12th, I think, on they would be sending a central team, and they would be guiding us on August 12th and how to take forward, and whatever support is needed, 100% Union government will be there, and it will take whatever your needs and requirements, and that we will fulfill completely. That one thing he generously and wholeheartedly agreed. And why we need these base camps, what is the price, why we are seeking support is, Chenchu tribes will be working there, and it will give them an employment for 300 Chenchu youth. It will be given employment. So to move within 5 kilometers, we will have a 5 kilometers base camp for every 5 kilometers there will be a base camp. So to move around in the forest, they need motorbikes, they need some dry ration and some support to for the forest watchers, and that is one thing we agreed. So these are the major things which we have discussed, and which whatever we put forward, the request we have put forward, he generously agreed. I'm wholeheartedly convey my heartfelt thanks to Honorable Union Minister Sri Bhupender Yadav. Thank you. And one Patil Garan Kolusan, Jal Shakti Ministry. మన శివరాజ్ సింగ్ చౌహాన్ గారిని కలుస్తాను. అది అపాయింట్మెంట్ ఉంది అనుకుంటున్నా. ఐ వుడ్ బి మీటింగ్ శివరాజ్ చౌహాన్ సింగ్ జీ. అండ్ ఎందుకంటే మాకు ద గ్రేట్ సపోర్ట్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ గాడ్ ఇస్ ఆల్వేస్ is very kind and very supportive, Shivraj Singh Chauhan ji. And around 7,770 crores plus were given for PR. And I am fundamentally, I would be, I'll be going there to convey my heartfelt thanks to him for generously giving great grants. That is one thing. And Jal Shakti Ministry, why I would be going to meet Honorable Minister, Union Minister, Jal Shakti Minister, Shri Patil ji, is about to request him about, because we are polluting our rivers, and the Union government is committed to cleanse our rivers, and we have seen in Ganga Nadi anta శుభ్రత ప్రయత్నాలు చేస్తున్నారు. మా యమున అనే ప్రోగ్రామ్ కింద ఎలా మెయింటైన్ చేస్తారు. సో మేము పెట్టుకుంది ఏంటంటే, నేను ఆయన కలిసి, ఇప్పుడు గోదావరి పుష్కరాలు వస్తూ ఉన్నాయి, గోదావరి పుష్కరాలకి సెంట్రల్ గవర్నమెంట్ తరఫు నుంచి జలశక్తి మినిస్ట్రీ తరఫు నుంచి ఏం చేయగలరు, ఎలాంటి సహాయ సహకారం అందించగలరు అనేది రిక్వెస్ట్ చేయడానికి మేము ఏం కోరుతున్నాం చెప్పడానికి వెళ్తున్నాం.